Hi there, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our new A-9070 stereo amplifier, boasting the new ARAT powerful amplification sector and the new 192 24-bit digital processing, which is done internally. So let's take a look at the front panel. The A-9070 is second from the top of the range, and it also boasts the DI-DRC processing. This effectively reduces the perceptible noise by reducing the frequencies above 100 kHz. Even though they're what we call super high frequencies and we can't actually hear them, they do have a bearing on what we can hear. So let's take a run through the front panel and show you what we've got. The first thing is the power on off and IR receiver. Then we've got the rotary volume control. We've got the pure direct switch, which will cut off the display, the small display window, and the input dial. The direct switch on the front panel defeats the display and also all of the tone controls underneath the front panel, but any change in input or volume from either the front panel or the remote control, the display will light up again, show you exactly what's going on, and then switch off when it's not in use. Underneath the front panel we have a speaker's Imb switch. This allows you to run bi-wiring cable from the A-9070 to your speakers if you so desire, or alternatively 2 different sets of speakers. Also underneath the front panel we have bass controls, treble controls and balance levels, along with a setup button and a headphone socket. The setup of the A-9070 is very simple. You have a show or hide for the inputs. The headphone level can be preset reference the main speaker level. The ASB is short for auto standby. And routing. This allows you to set the unit up as a preamp, a power amp, or a mix of the two, along with a reset. And now we're going to move on to the rear panel. As you can see from the speaker terminals, we are actually employing a dual monaural design for the amplifiers, and this greatly improves the signal path and sound quality. We've included a turntable connection, and you can select between moving magnet or moving coil. And because the A-9070 has digital processing inside, it can accept digital signals. So we've got 3 inputs for you, 2 coaxial and 1 optical. Here we have the pre-out and main in. This allows you to use the 9070 as a power amp or a preamp or a mix of the two, so you can add a sound processor in between. And the last set of inputs we have is the good old trusty analog. This means we've got all of the inputs covered for you, whether it be analog or digital. And lastly, the speaker connections. We've included high quality gold plated binding posts. Now you will notice that there is a black insert that will not allow you to plug in a banana plug. I'm just about to show you how to remove them. To remove the black inserts, I recommend using a self-tapping wood screw, as I've got in my hand here. Half a turn, and just simply pull out, and you'll find the black insert will pop out nice and easily. I'll show you that again. In with the screw, half turn, pull, and out it pops. Now it's ready to accept a banana plug. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video on the A-9070, and I'll see you soon. Many thanks, bye bye.